Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to find and manage display settings on OnePlus 9. So as you see, I already have the OnePlus 9 in my hand, and all I'm gonna do is just search for the settings app, click the settings app, then scroll down a bit to the display and brightness tab, go into it, and then you can switch off to your dark mode, or you can auto brightness. You can change your font by clicking the font and clicking the one that you want and clicking apply. There's the display size. You can select the display size to make it simpler for you to read it. There's the image sharpener. There's the video color boost if you want to turn it on. For better color, just click on it. And then there's the bright HDR video mode. There's the auto rotate, there's the auto screen off, the screen refresh rate. I would suggest putting it on high. And then there's the full screen for apps mode. If you want to customize apps, just click the app that you would like and just click show front camera maybe, or either it. And that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.